sisters, welcome to another Yambo Lake vlog. So we're gonna be going back again to Yambo Lake because last time we don't have mom, but this time she's back. And I'm with my fucking sisters. So we're gonna be going to Yambo Lake again and we're gonna have fun. It's very sunny now compared to last time where it was very gloomy and rainy. But we're hoping for a good weather today and we're hopping off onto some crazy activities again. So we'll see you guys there. XOXO. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reasons it started getting gloomy in this part of Laguna because we've been driving for about 10-15 minutes now and just look at that. It's very cloudy up in there. So we have 30 more minutes left till we reach there, and I'm fucking hoping that it wouldn't be raining because last time it was just raining, but we still enjoyed it though. But I'm not saying we're not going to be enjoying it this time, but I was hoping that we'll be very sunny because, you know, the vibe is much more better when it's sunny. Plus the fit is giving sexy, body yadi yadi. So with the right weather, with the right temperature, everything will fall in its place. Let's pray and hope. But yeah, that's the situation. Some parts are sunny, but that part over there is very cloudy and I don't know. I hope rain doesn't fall off there. Now, I'm not sure if this is Barangay Yambo na, but the reason why it was called Yambo Lake is because it is inside Barangay Yambo. Now, mind you, before you go here, I just wanted to tell you and give a head start na walang signal here, both Globe and Smart. So the only way that you can communicate with anyone is through Piso Wi-Fi once you're there. So meron dong internet na Piso Net, I don't know what you call it, Piso Wi-Fi, whatever. So babayad na kayo ng piso and mabibigyan na kayo ng internet access. So walang signal again, both Globe and Smart. Last time, medyo nahirapan kami to communicate with my sister because she arrived late and there's no signal. So, messenger lang ang pwede namin gawin. And walang signal dito ng cellular data. So, inintay namin siya talaga makarating. But, other than that, everything's very accessible. You have your transient homes. You have an Airbnb over there. Merong water, merong paliguan. Malinis yung paliguan, malinis yung CR. Everything's there, even the alak and foods. There are some restaurants available there as well. So, no need na magdala ng food. So, yeah, just a quick heads up. So we have 9 minutes left remaining, and good thing that Waze is still running even though we don't have any internet connection anymore. So make sure na dapat handa nyo na si Waze kasi anytime soon once you arrive here, somewhere near Yambo, Barangay Yambo, mawawala na kayo ng signal. Pero again, Waze is still running even though wala na tayong internet connection. Para lang at least hindi na kayo mawala. Hindi yung kung kailan malapit nang mawala na internet sa kanyo pa, papaandaran si Waze. No, that's a big no-no. Mawawala talaga kayo. Or kung hindi naman kayo mga nonchalant, pwede kayo magtanong sa mga citizens over here, sa mga locals. Okay, we're now at Barangay Yambo. So, that means malapit na tayo. Ilang minutes na lang? 2 minutes. And oh my goodness, it's drizzling. Very light. Tang ina, parang uulan pa nga. And this is what I was mentioning earlier na meron dito mga restaurants and meron kayo matutulugan over here. So, very accessible to everything. I'm just not sure about the pricing but expect na medyo may kamahalan. But we're almost there. I can remember this part. Malapit na yung parking. And speaking, this is the parking, you guys. Madami siyang parking area here. And not just here but also inside there. Ipapasok pa. A lot of people are here kasi ang daming mga sasakyan, oh. Let's go, you guys! Ay, grand entrance. Hindi ka maganda. Let's go. As I was saying earlier, there's gonna be a lot of people here. And this is the other parking that I was mentioning. But we're now heading straight to the entrance, the reception, I don't know. And then another parking spot over here. And then this is probably a kainan, I'm not sure. And then over here is another parking area, so madaming parking. And this is like an events place, I believe. Plus tent overnight. There you go. Hindi ako sali, mamaya na. So we're almost there. This is the place where I told you guys na merong piso Wi-Fi. And this is like the receiving area. And then this is where you pay.
Nagbabarsa po kayo.
Apa.
Makikipirma po na ito. Saka mag-aalis na rice na lang po. Na,
Payment. Robert, payment. So, coffee? Hindi ako nagkakape. So easy as that. We just arrived and literally we're going to be going to straight payment, and then entrance fee is 20 pesos each plus the balsa rental. It's 200, so 220 per pax. Ito po.
Mabingi pa. Ulitin po natin.
Okay lang po. Tatanggalin ko din naman.
Ay, natanggalin niyo po. Ay, bibigay ko na lang sa inyo ito. Gamitin niyo na lang kung ano.
Sige, remembrance lang yan, kuya.
Magagawin.
Yes.
May magbibihis pa po sa inyo. Mag-CCR. 2 hours po kayo doon.
CR ka lang.
Ano, dalaan 5?
Put it here.
I can't. I have a camera.
Sa baba naman. Ano? Hey! Ito pa.
We're here again, guys.
Yambo Lake.
Yamborat Lake.
It's my second time here. The first, I
It's
went
my
here
first
and
time
with my
here.
boyfriend.
Wow! Special mention.
Now, where's your boyfriend?
It's in the Antipolo.
And then one more for Bobby. Oh, the baby's crying.
Lena, bidyohan mo ako pag sasakay sa bagsa.
Ay. Vlog mo ba yan? Let's go. So this is the CR. And then this is the waiting area. And then this is where we had our payment. And then this is the waiting area again. Welcome to Nagcarlan Yambo Lake. Hi, dogs. So we're just waiting for someone to fetch us and make hatid to the balsa.
This is coffee, that's why it's so hot.
This is our fit today, you guys. Oo nga, meron ng ihaw. Look. 450 per head, rafting with foods. So yung mga in-offer nila. Maaraw na siya ulit, guys. Yes, kuya, we're ready.
May balsa po kami.
Let's go! Ito lang yung energy. Careful!
tayo sa isang bagong bulsa kami. Dahan-dahan lang po, tingin na po sa dahan-dahan. Dito lang po muna kayo para lilipat lang po. Ayun, so,
Liligo tayo, guys. Okay, we're now finally settled here in our balsa, and the party starts now, bitches.
Sa kabila.
Okay. Say hi, you guys.
Lena, picture.
Ay, mama.
Kasi nahulog. Kasi sumabit.
Munti ka na. Munti ka na ang cellphone.
medyo malalim po kasi talaga pag nalaglag po. Baka po hindi na natin makuha.
Oh,
Muntik na madam.
Nalaglag yung cellphone
Marami na
niya.
nagdodonate madam ng iPhone dito.
hindi kumuha ko ng diver.
Wait. Welcome to Yambo Lake.
Wala ba ditong buhaya?
Wala madam.
Sure ka ha?
Apo, 101% madam. Walang buhaya dito.
Walang patinghan. Nang gusto mag-sunblock. Lena, picture ano?
Ping me
Pagalitan ako ni Madam Lena.
Welcome to Yambo Lake.
Hindi siya maayos.
Welcome to Yambo Lake.
Ako din. Kasi nagawa, no? Parang first time mo lang ulit na dito.
Ay, para naman mo ako si madam. Nakala na dito.
Isang linggo lang, tapos bumalik ulit.
Hindi na nahiya.
Tapos, ang gagawin ko, itutulak ko kayong dalawa.
Okay, so medyo naulan na ulit. Oh my gosh. Kaya buti na lang pinagbigyan tayo kanina nung nagpi-picture taking tayo. Pero ngayon, it's raining na ulit.
Uy, baka naman wala ka.
Okay, so we're gonna be switching our camera. I switch on to my phone because It's raining hard now. But we are now here at the Tarzan swing. I show you how it looks like. So that is the Tarzan swing. And we're very excited. We came all the way there, by the way, there. And then this is our next destination after the Tarzan swing. It's gonna be like the sitting swing, I don't know. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome to Tarzan Swing!
Yes!
Naka-video na? Kalahati lang. Yun, doon ka muna sa mababa para umakyat. Naman sa doon ko na magpapaliit. Parang lang kasi yung gusto ko. Na magagalit na ako. Where's your hair like that? Kaya pasunod mo na sa dalo. Can I see?
Bakit? Sa mababa. Sa mababa ka na lang. Ano stuck?
Ate Yana! Ano siya? She's stuck. Di mo kaya?
Thank you po.
Hindi ka na nga. Hindi natin ito balsa.
Wow.
What's so funny?
You.
Ako din nito. Galingan mo ka. Babanatan kita. Mamay iiyak ko din sarili ko.
Okay, 1, 2.
Wow! Pwede ka ng lifesaver!
Pwede ka ng DJ at saka lifesaver.
MC, lifesaver, DJ.
Gusto ko ng ate ka lang. Ako yung pinakamagandang life vest.
Ganito ka to.
Ganda.
Umakin niya kayo. Oh, hindi. Siya yung kaliit mo. Yes, Daddy.
Ma, sabay ka sa amin. Okay.
Pagkano bitaw na?
Halika na, lalab! Sige! Halika na nga! Oh, dali na! Talon! Hoy, o dito mo! Hindi nga, lalaw. Hilutan ka na. Bilis, o dito mo si ano. Halika dito! Oh, talon! Bibigyan mo to si Bibi lang. Dali, one! Bilis na nga! Gagano ka lang.
Ang ganda ko po, Robert.
Pabalik ka na.
Mo, nandiyan pa. Ganda na bagsak ko.
Mama, talon na! Magdalena.
Madalena, no.
Are you aware that you look stupid?
Yes. This is for the cloud.
Pangit eh.
And she was a fan.
Uy, epan ka sa video.
Mama, go! Mama, straight lang ha! Mama!
10 over 10 experience, you guys. Okay, guys. So, I had 2 tries, and the first one is good. The second one is better. I don't know if I'm gonna do a third set. Probably not, cause it fucking hurts in the body. But yeah, this is our situation. Last 10 minutes. Talo na. Ang tagal naman. Okay, for the 5th time. Tatalon o hindi?
Tatalon na siya.
Wait lang. Tatalon na siya.
1, 2, 3.
Ay.
1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3. Bilis na! Release me!
Hello.
Hello! Kuya, tara na po.
Okay, we are now done with Tarzan jump. Let's go to swing swing.
That's serious. Hindi ka ba confident ako din? Gawin na lang ako.
Sinabi niya, mas mataas sa 5.
Hindi
Nandun ka na eh.
sa lima.
O nagagawa mo pala, ba't hindi mo dito?
Ay, nag-pressure kasi ako eh. Bakit? Tinitigawan niyo ko sa ako. Oh, sorry.
May peer pressure ka pala.
Yes. I'm afraid of heights as well. I just want to experience everything.
Okay, alis na kami.
Okay,
Let's
ako
go.
na lang here.
Hindi, sinabi ko talaga, ano lang, mas madami oras dito kaysa dito. Tapos yung, ano, yung sightseeing, hindi na.
I did it.
We're now here at sitting swing. Yes! Yes! Putang ina.
Tumalo, hindi naman siya tumalo. At may picture, may camera ka pandala.
Para nakaganon. Papansin. Front cam ko siya.
Ayun yung wakan mo daw.
Kaya po.
Siya mapipitawan.
Hindi naman po, meron po akong ano.
Sorry. Dami ng pambili si madam.
Woo! Eme, eme. Eme, eme.
Talon!
Successful. Okay, ready. Get set. Straight.
Yo, kainain lang natin. Madam, maulit pa kayo? Sige po, para lasa...
Sige, paulit nga po kuya.
Kiring-kiri ka.
It's now raining. Natapos tayo ng successful. Buti pinagbigyan kami kasi ngayon lang talaga siya umulan ng very hard. So, that's it for our Yambo Lake vlog, you guys. Bye!
Sobrang pagod kasi talaga mag-trekking. So, hindi ka rin pagod na pagod ka.
We're here. Uwi na kami, you guys.
Go, Kylie. Uy, wag na. Pwede pa ako.
Let's go home, you guys. Thank you po.
Ingat.
Bye-bye po. We just finished taking a shower and it's walking distance over there. So yeah, we'll probably go now and find a restaurant where we can eat. But yeah, that's it for now, you guys.